What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the alarm no sound issue in your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open clock app. Now tap on the alarm in which you are not hearing the sound, and then tap on this bell icon. Now from here you have set the alarm to silent, then you will not be able to hear sound. So from this list you can choose any sound to set it as the alarm sound. And after that go back, and now you will be able to hear the alarm sound. But if you are still facing issue, then make sure to turn on this alarm button. So without turning on this alarm button, the alarm will not ring. Now after turning on this button, if you're still facing the same issue, then tap and hold on the clock app, tap on this information icon. Now tap on storage. Now clear the cache memory. So to clear this, tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache, and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the alarm no sound issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the alarm no sound issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.